Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you a secret code that you can use on your Android TV to unlock and install all favorite streaming applications that you want to your Android TV. This is a very simple and easy code to use, and I'm going to be showing you all the process step by step. So you might want to watch this video from the beginning right up to the end if you want to enjoy this and you want to know how to use this code and the applications on how to install this application from this code. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this. Now you know on your Android TV like mine, most of the times our app stores are always limited. Like for instance, my app store doesn't have all the streaming applications that I need or my favorite streaming applications. They just give me the kind of applications that they want. So for me to get more applications or other applications, I use this application called Downloader. Now Downloader is like a browser and also helps me to search and install applications to my Android TV. At times we're just using a single code. So we are going to be using a particular code to unlock a Play Store using Downloader. That way I can install all our favorite streaming applications. So please follow me attentively. Now, before I go ahead and launch Downloader, I want to show you how to install Downloader to your Android TV, especially if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV. So this is what to do to install the Downloader application to Android TV. Now, as you can see on my Android TV, I do not have Play Store. I don't have Play Store installed, but I need to install the downloader. Now, the first step is if you have Play Store installed to your Android TV, then it's simple, good for you. All you have to do is to launch your Play Store and search for download application, then install it. If that's your case, then it's easier. Just go ahead and install the download application. Now, if you don't have downloader app or if you don't have Play Store like me, this is simply what you should do to install downloader. Now, the first thing, come over to your inbuilt browser. As an Android TV, it is always going to come with an inbuilt browser. So just go to your browser that came with your Android TV and you go ahead and launch it. And please follow this, it's very easy. Now, on your browser search box, all you have to do is to go ahead and type in downloader application. Now, here's the application here. Just type in downloader app simply like this on your search box. Now, type in downloader on your search box, and when you type and search, the result is going to look like this. So here's the result page that you are going to receive. Now you can receive something similar to this, or you can receive something slightly different to this, but eventually it's going to be the same. Now, if you look at the first option here, if you look at this first option, you realize that this first option, the link is going to take us to the web version of Play Store. Even though we don't have a Play Store application on our Android TV, this link is still going to take us to the web version of Play Store. And in this case, we are using our browser. So let's just go ahead and click on that option. So it's going to take us to the web version of Play Store. Now here's the thing. If this is your first time using this web version of Play Store on your Android TV or through your browser, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. I believe you know that Google Play Store uses your Google account. So it's simple. Just go ahead and put your email address and your password. Now it's not my first time, so that's why I didn't come through that. And as you can see on my screen, here is the download application. Now, if you don't have it installed on your Android TV, instead of having open here, you're going to be having the install button. But since I've already installed this application, it's showing the open button here. But if it was the install button, all you have to do is just click on it once, and application will be installed just like you install applications from Play Store to your mobile devices or your tablet devices. It's the same process here. Just click install and the application is going to be installed. Now, once that is done, we already have the download application to our Android TV. So once that is done, what you have to do is simple. Go back home and the download application is going to be installed. And what you have to do next is just go ahead and launch it. Now, once you launch downloader, here's how it looks like. As I explained earlier, it is an application I love so much. You can use it to install apps, or you can use it to open website as a browser. And most of the times, you just need to use a code. So the code we're going to be using in this case is a short code. Let me type it down. 467106. So here is the code. Just go ahead and type it 467106. Once you type into that code, just click go or OK or done on your remote. So as you can see on my screen, a website is going to load, which is going to be a Play Store for streaming applications and devices for your Android TV. So here is it. Now, for the sake of, of YouTube, I cannot show all of these applications on all in all countries because I don't know if they are allowed or legal in every country. It can be legal in one country and not in the other country. So that's why I'm currently blurring these so that but trust me, if you type in the code directly, you're going to come over to an app store like this. So here are all the applications. There are streaming applications, there are video on demand applications, original, there are miscellaneous applications, and there are players. So once you're here, what I would recommend you do is to come over to what I would recommend you do once you're here at the top here, come over to this option and click on it, and then this is going to pop up, and then you choose add current page to favorites. So you don't want that every time you come over here you have to type in a code to come to this page. So just click on add current page to favorites. You click on that option. So they're going to ask you this, and all you have to do is click on save. So the next time you want to come to this website, all you have to do is to come over to your downloader, and then you come out down to this option that says favorites, and you're going to see the application or the website just there. Very easy. Here's it. I just go ahead and launch it, and you're good to go. So now here are they. So what I want to show you next is how do you install application from this place. So before I go ahead, I just want to say a shout out to devices and streaming or the person who created this. You are doing us a good job. Those of us who are Android TV freaks, this is so very nice. So once you're here, how do you install application? It's very simple. Now you can just go through and search for the application you want. You can just go through to search for the applications you want. Like for instance, you can just scroll, and I have lots of applications here. Sorry, I'm blurring this. It is for my purpose so this YouTube video don't get taken down. So there are many applications that you're going to be interested in here, and each application has its more information. So you can click here to see more information about the application. But to simply install this application is simple. Just scroll over it. Like for instance, this, if I want to install this, all I have to do is to click on it once and it start downloading. I don't have to do any other thing. The application is going to start downloading. All I have to do is wait for it to complete downloading. Just wait a moment. Once the application is completely downloaded, then I can go ahead and install it to my Android TV. And this is how downloader works. It's very easy. And this website also, it is trustworthy, so you have nothing to be scared of. So just wait for it to download. Now I want to say that some of the applications in this website might be limited in your country, or they might be blocked in your country. So a way to bypass this is by using a VPN. So if you use a VPN, the first if you use a VPN, the first advantage is that you are going to be secured. Your browsing and connection is going to be secured, and some of these applications you are not going to face any limitations in your country. So you might want to use a VPN. In the description of this video, I've added two VPNs that you can use in your country. So once an application has installed like this or has downloaded like this, all you have to do is go to the next stage to click on the install button, and that's good to go. So here's it. Do you want to install this application? So I just go ahead and click install, and I'm good to go. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.